welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look with these beautiful burgundy braids. We do a 360. They're also, they're also pretty long. They go down to my waist. So, all right, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you want to start off with your hair. Washed, blow dried, clean scalp, of course. Here is my hair. Oop. You're anti-black if you talk about that braid being that short. I cut my hair because I was feeling impulsive. But anyways, this is what my hair look like in the back. It's fully pre-parted. And yeah, this is the color hair I'm doing. I'm so excited. It's like a burgundy. It's the color 99J. Here's what it looks like out of the packaging. Very much burgundy. It's giving fall even though it's still kind of summer. And this is what it looks like when it's all separated. Okay, so this other section is now pre-parted. I don't know how long it took me because I've just been taking breaks, but everything's pre-parted. So we're gonna start braiding. Okay, I finally found a ignore my shirt, it's super dirty because it's been taking me a little process to do my hair today. I don't know why, it just has. It's kind of hot in here, but I don't want to turn the air on because I'm not that hot because I know I'm gonna get cold fast. Now I'm just wearing my mouth. Anyways, so for this next little part, I'm gonna do the back of my head first, but I'm gonna do it in a time lapse. So let's dive right in.
Seem to start like that lately, or sorry I can't make it, or sorry I snapped at you again.
That's okay.
No.
Okay, so far this is where I am with everything. The color looks so pretty. Like, I have not done this color in years and years and years. They're not heavy at all, which is one thing I'm always concerned about when doing my hair, because if it's heavy, I'm taking it down. I don't care how much. I don't care if I spent 20 hours or 24 or 36. I have to take it down. I can't function. Again, ignore my dirty shirt. It's been a day. It's been a day. It's currently 12:26. I'm not even entirely sure like what time I actually started, but this is where as so far. I'm about to show how to do like a braid up close, and yeah, we're gonna keep it going. Going in with your edge wax, not focus. Gonna take your section of hair, and I scoop it out about that much, and I just put it on the root all around the base, and then on the very ends braids into not one, not two, but 3 pieces like this. Making sure you see that's 3. We're gonna take our first piece of hair. This is long hair. We're going to put our piece of hair right on the base of our what's it called, our scalp, and then we're going to take our 3rd piece and cross over right on top of that piece we just did. And then you're going to take your hair and just pull it to tighten it, and once you're going to flip this over again like this to isolate this to isolate that one strand of hair that has no hair added, and then that's when you add in more hair. So I took an extra piece of hair, I'm adding it in, and then you braid down a little bit more, and then I'm taking my 3rd piece of hair and just adding it in here, just like this. And then you're just gonna braid the rest of the way. Now I say this every time, but I do like my braids just a little bit longer, like not past my butt, but definitely touching my butt, because I just like long braids, especially when they're small. So you just wanna braid all the way down. But that's how you do one of the braids, and I hope that was clean enough for you, and this is what she looks like. Take some of this Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir by Head and Shoulders, and I like to just spray it on my scalp, mainly because it feels so good. It's like to me it's like how you put mousse like on your braids when you're done to set them. To me, this is my mousse. Like, I still go in with mousse, but it's such a good like feeling. It like, I can't explain it. It just has this cooling sensation on your scalp.
This is not even funny.
So much for tuning in this video. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend.